ONO 99, how to play. The object of the game is to be the last player left in the game. Shuffle the cards, then deal 4 to each player. Place the remainder face down in the center as a draw deck. Players look at their own cards but keep them hidden from others. The player left of the dealer goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you must discard one card from your hand face up to the discard pile, adding the value of that card to the discards total and calling it out loud. Then refill your hand back to 4 cards. If ever the draw deck runs out of cards, shuffle the discard into a new draw deck while retaining the discard's current value. If you are unable to play a card from your hand without causing the total value of the discard to equal or exceed 99, then you are out. Don't play anything, but instead, lay your hand face down on the table in front of you. It is now the next player's turn. Continue until only one player remains, who is the winner. The special cards are ONO 99. This card may never be played individually, but if you have 4 ONO 99 cards in your hand, then you discard all 4 together and add 0 to the discard, then draw 4 new cards. Reverse. Change the direction of play. When playing with 2 players, a reverse acts the same as a 0. -10. Subtract 10 points from the discard. The discard's value may not be negative, but instead stops at 0. Play 2. Force the next player in turn order to take 2 subsequent turns, drawing 1 card after each turn. You can also respond to a play 2 by playing a reverse and forcing it the other direction, or play your own play 2 and pass it along to the next player. Play 2s don't stack, so no matter how many are played on top of each other, only 2 subsequent turns will be taken. If you are eliminated from a play 2, then the play 2 does not affect the next player.